Well, hello, this is Keith at Redwood Groves, and just wanted to show you the workshop shed is done. I got her final inspection. A nice metal barn, 24 by 35 by Carolina Carports. They did a pretty good job. I'm happy with it. So, take you inside, give you a quick tour. There's a Woodland Mill stump grinder. That's a monster. Got her Kubota 4701. But I put two windows in it, a one-man door, and then two 9-foot by 8-foot high. 9-foot high building. Just started bringing some tools in here. That's the Woodland Mills WC88 wood chipper. I've got a video I'm working on showing the maintenance on that, changing the blades. I just got to try to get that all together. I'm trying to do my editing system, but we're working on right now getting the grounds cleaned up. I'm starting to collect wood. Planning on buying a sawmill here shortly, hopefully, and I've got tree service guy is giving me trees. He's gave me 2 so far in 2 weeks. Says he's got a couple more oaks coming over. That pile there is going to be for firewood, so we're starting to make our firewood pile. Going to be over there. That over there is neighbor's hickory. It's like 26 inch in diameter, and those 8 foot long. And I've got over here. These are 8 feet long also. Those are what's remaining from junk in the trunk tree, unfortunately. You don't know what that is, go to my Instagram, down Redwood Groves, and you can see junk in the trunk. I believe that's oak. Everybody's thinking it's oak. I thought it cut pretty easy for oak. I thought it might be maple, and somebody thought it was poplar, but I'm not really sure. I think I'm going to go with everybody's general decision that it's oak. And but these are 8 foot, and again 20. I think actually the one is 28 inches diameter. So we've been working on cleaning. Oops, sorry about that vibration. Working on cleaning the grounds up. I've got 2 tree service companies giving me wood chips, and so we've been dumping the wood chips and spreading it all over. It'll help with soil erosion. And we've got some pretty decent grade here. It's going down through here. It just cleans the area up. You know, had a bunch of branches, and we put these down. It covers the branches, and it'll allow it to all decompose. So we clean this all over here, and I'm starting to pull. I'm able to get down now, so I'm pulling the logs out of the wood pile. Wouldn't you know it, where the logs are that I want, the hardwood is in the middle of the pile. So I go down through here with the tractor and reach in there with a chain, hook on one, and pull it out. But you can see, ooh, the sun is bright. I took this big pile out. It's like half gone right now. Pulled that all out of there and put some. Most of it's gonna be firewood, but there might be some couple logs in there that I've got put over there. The one section I showed you where there might be some slabs. I'll save them for slabs and cut them open, and if they look good, then we'll keep going. If not, firewood it is. So that's kind of the grounds. I've cleaned up over in here. Cleaned that area up so that we'll be able to put logs down there. I'm just not sure how many logs this guy is going to give me, and they say they go through a lot of trees, so hopefully he gives me quite a bit. I've only asked for hardwood. Once I get the sawmill up, I'll probably go give me pine too. That way here, if he's got pine and hardwood, he'll want to bring it all to me versus try to give it to somebody else. And quite frankly, I'll just cut it into timber wood, framing wood. But I cleared this section out here. They had They cleared a bunch of trees out here when they were logging, so I just cleaned this area out here. So I got a section over here that I can put logs, and I got another section here that I can put logs, and another section here that I can put logs. So it'll be pretty easy going right up through here, go up, and I think I'm going to put the sawmill right here, perpendicular to the garage. That's what I'm thinking right now anyway. And we'll start making some slabs. So we'll see what happens, but that is the plan for us right now. So again, it's Keith, Down Road Grows. If you like, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't hit subscribe, please hit subscribe.